Conversation 1.
How is your new job?
It's good. The job is interesting and the people are nice.
Is it near your house?
No, it is in the city, so it's far away. It takes an hour to get there.
Oh no. How was the commute?
It's long and it is expensive, but I don't mind too much.
Why don't you take the bus? It's really cheap.
I would, but the bus is really slow and crowded. I can't get a seat.
Yeah, it is crowded.
Conversation 2.
How was your weekend?
Good. I went to the new mall.
Oh yeah? How was it?
Great. It has a really nice food court.
Oh, cool. How was the food?
Really good. The food was delicious and not expensive.
Was it healthy?
Not really, but the portions are really big.
Oh, that's good to know.
Conversation 3.
How was your new computer?
Good. It is fast and has lots of cool features.
It looks expensive though.
Yeah, it's not cheap, but I need it for work.
Is it light? It doesn't look very heavy.
Yes, it is very light. It only weighs 1 kilogram.
Wow, that is light. My computer is so big and heavy.
Is your computer old?
Yes, it's over 5 years old. It's time for a new one.
Yeah, that is pretty old for a computer.
Conversation 4.
How was your math class?
Ugh, not good. It is very difficult.
Oh, I thought you liked math.
I do, but the class is hard and the teacher is really boring.
Oh, that's too bad.
Plus, the room is really old and the chairs are uncomfortable.
That doesn't sound like a fun class.
It's not.